For the last 4 years, Eva Ndavu has enjoyed a long-lasting relationship with Misty. Misty is described as a wonderful, obedient friend who brings some sparkle to Eva's world.
Well, my dog provides companionship, and she is also a good watchdog, and that is why I love her.
The dog is man's best friend, so it is said, and at this year's Nairobi Shaggy Dog Show, this friendship goes a notch higher as man acknowledges the role played by dogs in his life. The aim for the event is to raise funds that will cater for the needs of domestic animals.
Any animals in distress, domestic animals, we will try and help them. And we also do education for children to try and make them more aware of animals and the fact that they need welfare and it's a responsibility, and people should be kind to animals.
A concept of the Kenya Society for the Protection and Care of Animals, the Shaggy Dog Show brings together different stakeholders in the dog business. A host of competitions are held for the dogs in different categories with the aim to test and showcase the dog's talent. Categories in this year's show included the Best Child Dog Handler, Dogs with the Most Fancy Dress, the Dog's Parade, and of course, the Most Shaggy Dog. This little one couldn't hide her joy on winning in the Happiest Dog category.
She makes everybody happy. She's always a smiling dog, aren't she? Okay. And she makes everybody smile and she makes everybody happy.
It was not only a dog's fun day, but an opportunity for children to learn some new skills in responsibly caring for their pets. Dogs in Kenya are mainly used for security purposes, but with an ever-increasing middle-class population, more people are embracing dogs as pets. The most common breeds are the Rottweiler, Neapolitan Mastiff, Labradors, as well as Chihuahuas. The Kenya Society for the Protection and Care of Animals was formed in 1910 and is tasked with the rescue and rehabilitation of domestic animals. Kevin Midigo, CCTV.